In this video, I want to demonstrate more of the established Microsoft Word and PowerPoint templates that you can use for storyboarding. If you recall in the previous video, those concepts were based around just beginning a storyboard and how you can use tools that are readily available for you in order to start collaboration, organizing your thoughts, and just pre-planning of the learning, design, and development activity. It's really important that I note that these tools that I'm about to demonstrate for this video are built around e-learning. So if you are an e-learning designer or looking to get into e-learning design or are more advanced, maybe you'll find some of the information helpful. Maybe you don't use storyboarding, but again, I just want to illustrate how important it is, especially when you're looking to incorporate digital media, because having those identified areas of digital media need are essential to that learner experience and making sure that your e-learning module is designed correctly, and storyboarding will really help you do that. So again, using some of the resources that were provided this week in the resources section or each area of the module, this is a real basic storyboard that you're using here in Word. And what's nice about templates is that you can go ahead and follow the information that's here. So from an e-learning perspective, you have the ability to demonstrate what your media assets will be if you're looking for infographics, if you're putting videos, anything that's here specifically to how you will build this module. So how instructional design and e-learning can also be broken down is that you can use a storyboard and then you can have the ability to take your storyboard and you can hand it off to an ISD, instructional systems designer or developer that actually go in and understand what your frame is. So if you're having a voiceover, your voiceover action would go here. Miscellaneous notes to designer, developer can go here. You can also use this for subject matter experts and different collaborations. So very powerful, simple storyboard in terms of being able to understand the concept of the design and the framework for it and ability to work collaboratively and work this across an assembly line of other instructional developers that you may have on your team if you are fortunate enough to have multiple resources that do established roles. Also keep in mind with the interactions that are here specifically related to branching, programming notes, this is also going to be for your designer or developer. This is going to be things you want to think about in terms of some of the feature authorware, like programs like Storyline or Captivate have the ability to include multiple dimension areas in which you start building a sequence of events. So it's a little more advanced that you're here for, but look at the templates that you're using and see what you think is going to be most effective for storyboarding. The other example I wanted to show you is a storyboard template for e-learning that is also done in PowerPoint. Very similar concept that you see here. It's got all the information that's related here. Here's where your learning experience is going to go. You can start to stage that with any digital static images if you want. If you were looking at media images over here, such as videos, infographics, anything that's going to be over here, navigation information related to how the user, what they need to click on if you're using advanced features like variables, if you're using rollovers, anything with change state of, so lots of different things that are there. Again, the storyboarding of e-learning is done at the early development phase. It's very key for working collaboratively and understanding how your design is going to lay out from the beginning all the way to the end. So if you're very linear oriented and you're organized in terms of seeing things that way and you're looking to get approval on things before they actually go into the authorware product, storyboarding is great. It also helps you identify the digital media assets that you need in advance as opposed to going so long, working ad hoc, and just simply saying, hey, I think we need something that's here. So these are a couple of templates that you're going to look at this week. I hope you find one that's of your liking, and you'll notice that there's a lot of different ones to choose from. So pick the one that you're looking for, and feel free to modify it. Again, these are all done in Microsoft products, so you can customize it whatever you think is going to work best for you. But I really hope you understand the importance of storyboarding when it comes to e-learning design and development, because it really is a powerful tool.